Mark Twain, the legendary author of The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, was born on November 30th, 1835. That very year, Halley's Comet streaked across the heavens, a dazzling celestial visitor that appears roughly every 76 years. Twain himself was fascinated by this coincidence. He later predicted, with his signature blend of humor and insight, that his life would mirror the comet's return. In 1909, Twain famously remarked, "I came in with Halley's Comet in 1835. It is coming again next year, and I expect to go out with it. It will be the greatest disappointment of my life if I don't go out with Halley's Comet." The Almighty has said, no doubt. Now here are these two unaccountable freaks. They came in together, they must go out together. It was the kind of statement you'd expect from Twain, witty and poetic. But as fate would have it, his words turned out to be more than just a whimsical prediction. On April 21st, 1910, just one day after Halley's Comet made its closest approach to Earth, Mark Twain died of a heart attack. His death was seen by many as a cosmic farewell, a final bow on a stage far greater than Earth alone. Was it mere coincidence, or was there something deeper at play? To his admirers, Twain's life and death, bookended by Halley's Comet, became a symbol of the mysterious connections between the human experience and the vast cosmos. Maybe you experienced it one way or another, and these events aren't just coincidences. They are meaningful connections between events that seem unrelated, yet resonate deeply within us. Deep down inside, they resonate with us because there is something that is looking its way out. Eastern philosophies like Taoism and Buddhism viewed the universe as a seamless web of relationships, where every event is interdependent and infused with meaning. These meaningful coincidences are called synchronicities, and they align with this perspective by highlighting how seemingly random coincidences can carry profound significance, reflecting an underlying cosmic order. On the other hand, Alan Watts, a renowned philosopher, possessed an insatiable curiosity about life and the universe, and found that synchronicities are deeply connected through their shared emphasis on the interconnectedness of all things. Early in his career, he explored Christianity, but he soon turned his attention to Eastern philosophies such as Taoism, Zen Buddhism, and Hinduism. Watts took these ideas further by framing synchronicity as a playful expression of the universe's flow that invites us to let go of rigid logic and embrace life's mysteries with openness and wonder. Through synchronicity, he saw a tangible way to experience the unity and harmony of existence, offering a pathway to deeper awareness and spiritual connection. What set Watts apart was his ability to take complex ideas and present them in poetic, often humorous ways. He didn't just lecture about life, he invited us to play with it, to embrace its paradoxes and mysteries. His teachings often encouraged letting go of rigid thinking, surrendering to the flow of existence, and finding joy in the unexpected. This playful yet profound approach is precisely why his insights into synchronicity remain so compelling. Alan Watts saw synchronicity not as a phenomenon to be dissected, but as a playful expression of the universe's interconnected nature, where it is a wink from the cosmos, a reminder that life isn't a linear progression of cause and effect, but a vast interconnected web of experiences. He often referred to the universe as a cosmic play, where every event, no matter how small, is part of an intricate dance. Synchronicity and its meaning was deeply influenced by his studies of Eastern traditions, particularly Taoism and Buddhism. These philosophies teach that the universe operates as a unified whole, where everything is interconnected and interdependent. In Taoism, this idea is encapsulated in the concept of the Tao, or the way, the natural flow of the universe. Watts often likens synchronicity to the Tao, describing it as a reflection of life's inherent harmony. Just as a river flows effortlessly around obstacles, synchronicities arise when we align ourselves with this natural flow. In Buddhism, the principle of interdependence suggests that all phenomena arise in connection with others. Watts saw synchronicity as a tangible example of this truth. He believed that these meaningful coincidences are not isolated events, but expressions of the universe's interconnected dance. They remind us that we are not separate entities navigating a chaotic world, but integral parts of a grand cosmic choreography. For Watts, synchronicity was more than an intellectual concept. It was a lived experience, a way of tuning into the universe's rhythm and recognizing the subtle ways it communicates with us. To notice synchronicity is to glimpse the playful spirit of existence itself. In all of this exploration, one thing was made clear, and it was the importance of paying attention to the world around us. He believed that synchronicities are always present, but we miss them because we're too caught up in our own thoughts. Our minds, constantly planning, analyzing, and controlling, drown out the whispers of the universe. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced, Watts would say. This shift from solving to experiencing is the key to recognizing synchronicity. By cultivating awareness, we begin to notice the intricate patterns that weave through our lives. Watts encouraged practices like meditation and mindfulness to sharpen our observation. These practices quiet the noise of the mind and open us to the subtle signals around us. When we're fully present, even the smallest events can take on profound meaning. A song on the radio, a chance meeting, or a recurring symbol. The beauty of synchronicity lies not just in its occurrence, but in its ability to inspire wonder. When we notice these moments, we feel connected to something larger than ourselves. It's as if the universe is speaking directly to us, inviting us to pay attention and explore its hidden depths. To Alan Watts, life was not a struggle to control, but a dance to enjoy. He often spoke about the importance of letting go, of surrendering to the flow of existence rather than resisting it. This philosophy aligns perfectly with the experience of synchronicity. Watts saw synchronicities as invitations to participate in the cosmic play. Instead of dismissing coincidences as mere chance, he encouraged us to view them as clues, guiding us toward deeper understanding and connection. By embracing these moments with openness and curiosity, we align ourselves with life's rhythm. This playful approach extends to how we interact with the world. Watts taught that our actions ripple outward, influencing the interconnected web of existence in ways we may never fully understand. Recognizing this interconnectedness fosters a sense of responsibility and gratitude. It reminds us that we are co-creators in this grand dance, and every step we take contributes to the larger pattern. Living in the flow of synchronicity requires a shift in perspective. It's about trusting the process, embracing uncertainty, and finding joy in the unexpected. It's about seeing life not as a linear journey, but as an unfolding mystery, where each moment holds the potential for wonder. Alan Watts' teachings on synchronicity are not just philosophical musings. They are an invitation to live with greater awareness, curiosity, and joy. They challenge us to see the universe not as a mechanical system, but as a living, breathing entity filled with meaning and connection. The next time you experience a coincidence, pause. Ask yourself, what might this moment be showing me? What hidden patterns are at play? And most importantly, how can I engage with this mystery in a way that brings more wonder and gratitude into my life? Synchronicity, as Watts saw it, is not something to be forced or controlled. It is a gift, a playful wink from the universe, inviting us to join the dance. So, let go of your need for answers. Open yourself to the possibilities. And remember, life is not a problem to be solved, but a mystery to be lived. All of these concepts are backed by science in the research that was conducted by the psychologist that coined the term of synchronicity and a quantum physicist that proved that all is connected, and it could explain all these meaningful coincidences and how it could be used in our life. This video we leave you here will answer this.